So let's take a look on our solution. Our solution is web-based. It's all in the cloud, and you can access it through your browser. We already have uploaded a library for our customers, so you can already create your own digital twin just by using the library. But it's very easy to get in new models just by clicking Add New Assets and drag and drop directly into our solution. And the reason why is we use Autodesk Platform Services to sort out the geometry and store it in our backend. So we support about 80 different formats. Same if you want to create a new project, it's the same way. And just drag and drop. So if you have a Revit model or a BIM model, you can just add it. And you can also section up your model by adding new layers in your project. And access management is done through settings, and you can invite new users if they want to just be a viewer, author, editor, or admin. So let's open up a project. Here in the top left, you see the sections. So here you see I've sectioned out the roof. I can remove the roof, maybe remove the beaming, so I get more access to the production line. And you also have a library. So here, for instance, you get what you've uploaded into your library. So it's basically like playing Sims with your own factory. So I've take here one robot from ABB and place into my twin, and place it there, and I can turn it around or remove it. So if I want to place this, I can just left click it and place it. If I want to have it, for instance, 2 meters from the fence, I can do it like this. Okay. This is our library and placement of new assets. In our solution, we have something called snapshots. That means that everybody on the team can work on the same model. So now I'm working on a snapshot called particle sensor, but I can also go here and see person A or person B's version, and I can merge that one's model into my own, or I can load it or overwrite it, or import it into my local storage, or I can export the 3D model out. So that's very beneficial if you're working with the architect or somebody that would benefit from having the 3D model you made in Moicon. And then you can just export the snapshots out. But also, like many people on the team can work on the same model but different versions, and you won't clutter your colleague's version of the same model. If you lock it, it can only be changed by you or the project owner. And then your colleague can't change your snapshot. And then we have something called process analysis. So I'll just turn it on here. And then you can add parameters to the assets. For instance, you can define if it's a source, a processor, a buffer, operator, or a product. And then you can add values to it. So here I just put on some values into this model. And for instance, you can see the buffer, you can set up the capacity. If you go into the processor, you can add mean time between failures, mean time between repairs, but you can also add processing time and setup time. And then you can go into the connectors and also add transporting time, like load time, transporting time, and unloading time. And that way you can then simulate your production. So here I've set up a 8-hour shift. So you can practically run it in the background by clicking the I, or you can just press play and speed it up. Then you can evaluate how is the production going by going into the graph and see where are bottlenecks in your factory and how much product are you able to produce today. And you can also export these numbers out to Excel to put numbers into it. So you can calculate when will the return of investment come, or how will it benefit your production by putting on more people into your production line. Yes. And then we have the path manager, so you can put in the here I just drew in the flow of material, and you can also create new paths by just clicking the plus and then just click into your model, and then you can for instance have it you follow the path by clicking play, or you can generate a animation. Also, you have a dimension manager, so you can add dimensions to your model. So you can, for instance, measure out how long it is from this corner of the machine to this marker. So it's basically a digital measuring device. And also we have IoT manager. So you can visualize data from any API. So you see in the background here, I have a cloud. I have a particle sensor in this box to measure the particles in the air. So just spray some hairspray into it, and you can see it real time will measure out the particles, and we've made this cloud change color real time. And this can be done in temperatures, like the video running behind me. We have Harper Electronics monitoring the HVAC system in their factories. It's very easy to place small sensors in old equipment to monitorize vibration, acceleration, temperature, humidity, whatever, and collect the data and put it into context in the 3D model. And the last one here is the market manager, where you can, for instance, mark up where are the fire extinguishers, as I marked up here. But yeah. Also, every asset in the 3D model is a data container. So if I go to Assets Manager, I can add properties to the model. So I can, for instance, add text, date, a file, a thumbnail, or IoT data to the model. So I can make any 3D model a data container. And last, we have here the possibility to mark up all the projects and where are the projects in your system, and find out where are they in the world, so we can monitorize it in the map. Yep. Like this. Here I can see my projects are here in Norway. So that's beneficial if you have more than one factory.